Your average automobile has over 5,000 welds within its body. Long before the rubber hits the road, many hours are spent on welding and fabrication of a car. Hundreds of parts are cut, machined, and welded, from the chassis and suspension to the drivetrain. That car is then driven over bridges and overpasses, all welded into place, leading to businesses, schools, shopping centers, and restaurants, where welding is used in their construction. Welds are what hold our world together, and welding is a career choice that is always in demand. Over half of U.S. products require welding. With more than 80 welding processes, welding is an increasingly high-tech skill. As the technology of welding becomes more advanced, especially where automation is concerned, there is opportunity to learn a career that can be shaped around personal interests. The ability to work with computers and software is vital. Welders work in construction, shipbuilding, automobile manufacturing, aerospace, and countless other manufacturing activities. Welders are being trained to operate robots and automated systems that use lasers, electron beams, and even explosives. Like other people in the skilled trades, welders must be problem solvers who pay attention to details. They have to spot flaws in materials and designs, troubleshoot problems, and know how to repair parts or equipment. Welders constantly use their knowledge of science and math estimating costs, making calculations, or determining which metals to use with various fuels or chemicals. MCC Corporate College, Mahaney Welding Supply, and the Rochester Arc and Flame Center have partnered together to offer programs that provide training in the field of welding. The Welding and Fabrication program features training for MIG, TIG, flux core, and stick welding processes. Training combines hands-on learning, academic lectures, group projects, and print reading. MCC provides American Welding Society qualification. On-site training and testing is conducted to give students the ability to specialize in areas that will help them pursue a career in welding. Local companies partner with MCC looking to hire skilled fabricators or train current employees for specific qualifications. Our graduates have been hired by over 40 different Rochester area employers. We've explored several career opportunities in welding, but there are many more.